obstacle. Oh, wow. What's up, trail trash? Welcome or welcome back. Today I've been down here just doing a little bit of wheeling on the property and came across this deep rut here and figured it'd be a good time to kind of show you the Bunker Indust recovery boards in action. This would be a situation with some soft sand or mud, or if you've got stuck, any situation where you've lost traction or you need more traction, that's when you want to use a recovery board. So yeah, I saw this deep hole, figured I'd pull in it and just kind of set the camera up and kind of show you the process that I go through with my new mounting system and using the Bunker Indust recovery boards. It's kind of easy on this side because I'm so low. All I got to do is get up here and pop them off. And my boards still have water in them from yesterday's rain. So I got make sure I don't get soaked. All right, so what you want to do is just get it down inside the tire. And you may, like if you're stuck and you're spinning, you may actually have to take the board and scoop some out. If you don't have a shovel, you can use the board to do that as well. But what you want to do is get it either side too. They both got grip on it. You want to get it in there to where it's going to catch and get traction and pull up. And if you got two wheels spinning, you can actually use two boards. You can use four boards. It's just whatever you need to gain more traction to get through the obstacle. I'm going to crank up and see if we can't pull up on that and pull through it. All right. Now I've got to clean that off. A few swipes with the tree and it's fine. All right guys, that is it for this video. Just a quick video showing you how to use the Bunker Indust recovery boards with their roof rack mounting system. If you have any questions or anything about it, please drop them below. I'll leave the link in the description. It's not an affiliate link, so it's just Bunker Indust has some really good budget-minded quality recovery gear. Yeah, check them out if you're looking for any recovery gear or anything for your rig. Again, if you got any questions, comments, or anything, please drop them below. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. And until next time, stay trashy.